The Shastras say the Hare Krishna Maha Mantra has unlimited power to purify the heart and elevate one in God consciousness. Because of the Maha Mantra, Hare Krishna Maha Mantra's incredible potency, someone, even without a guru, could, the possibility is there, it's extremely remote and rare, but the mantra is so powerful, without initiation, he could, simply and only by chanting Hare Krishna, without any diksha or samskara functions, he could attain spiritual perfection simply by chanting Hare Krishna. So then one asks a question, then what is the need for all this swaha, swaha stuff? What do we need all this, what is the need for all this samskara and this havan and everything? Why do we have to be, if the holy, without a guru, I have no guru, I'm simply chanting, then why do I need a guru to receive the Maha Mantra is everywhere, every rickshawal, every kid, Hare Krishna, everyone chants it. So why do I need a guru to give me the Maha Mantra, which has its own power to give me perfection? Most conditioned souls lack the determination, the faith, and the knowledge to properly and continuously perform Nam Sankirtan Yajna of chanting the Hare Krishna Maha Mantra. Therefore, one needs to accept shelter of a bona fide spiritual master in order to get encouragement, training, and enlightenment in the matter of chanting Hare Krishna. In The Science of Self-Realization, a book by my Gurudev, he says, when the Hare Krishna Maha Mantra is chanted by a pure devotee of the Lord, it has great effect on its hearer. The pure vibration of a realized guru works like fire, just as forest fire burns up, just like a forest fire. This pure vibration will burn up all the sins and impurities within the mind and heart of the sincere disciple. This is the great mercy and fortune one receives by connecting and linking with a bona fide spiritual master. Alone we don't have that determination, power, faith, knowledge, enlightenment, etc. And we draw that by associating and serving with a powerful spiritual personality that's drawn into us.